Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Let's start with the next tutorial, garbage collection in Java. In case you want to see my previous videos, I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now let's start with garbage collection. What is garbage collection? Garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. In other words, whenever an object is destroyed, then you want to release some memory, then you can use garbage collection. In C++, you have to use the free method or delete method, but in Java, it is done automatically. But you can also call garbage collection as well. There are three ways by which the object is eligible for garbage collection. What are those ways? Number one, by nulling a reference. Suppose you have an object of employee class. Now you are making changes. You are setting the object of the employees class to null. In this case, this object is available for garbage collection because no one is assigning to it. Next, by assigning a reference to another variable. Suppose you have class 1 and then the object 2. Now you are setting object 1 is equal to new e2. In this case, object 1 will be assigned to this and this method is available for garbage collection. Next method, by anonymous object, new employee. Now this is not assigned to a variable, so it is eligible for garbage collection. So whenever system will invoke system.gc, it means whenever the system will invoke garbage collection, then these will be garbage collected. Now there is one more method, which is finalize method. Finalize method is invoked each time before the object is garbage collected. Suppose you have two objects which are eligible for garbage collection. In that case, finalize method will be invoked two times. Let's see here. Let's have one object, main object 1 equal to new class name, main object 2 equal to new class name. Now both the objects, these are assigned to a variable, so these are not available for garbage collection. If I invoke garbage collection, in this case both are not eligible for garbage collection. How to see if anything is eligible for garbage collection? By using finalize method, as finalize method is always invoked just before the garbage collection. Now if we run this program, then you will see none of the method is available for garbage collection. Now I'm assigning one of the object as null. It means this one is free now and this is available for garbage collection. If I call run method, then you will see this method is invoked. Now if I assign other object to null as well, it means now this and this both are available for garbage collection. Now finalize method will be called two times. Let's run this. Indeed, I hope you understood the video. Let me know in case you have any doubt. I will clear it. Do like and subscribe. Thank you friends.